Hi, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tracie Mahan, and this is going to be a channeled segment with Arcturian Daniel and friends. Please check out the workshop coming up December 29th, and that's going to be a link down below. Also, in January 18th, 19th, there will be a channeling workshop. Check that out. It's down below. And the big fun thing to do would be the cruise in June in Iceland and Greenland. Please check that out. Everything can be found on my website, traciemahan.com, but you can also find links, direct links down below for these things. And if you are looking for wanting a journey with Daniel, personal journey with Daniel, or some insight or readings from Daniel, please check out my website for my services, and let's get started. All right, so I'm going to go get Daniel and find out what he has to say for all of us for the energy going on right now. Let's find out. We are so happy to be here, as always. One of the things we like to do is to scan the audience and get into the energy. There's been an amplification of energy within the bodies and the cells. Some of you have been feeling this. You have been feeling the energy move through your body differently. And it may feel different to you to be in your body. The vibrations, the frequencies that are moving through the cells of the body while they are amplified and restructured. Every day you are moving closer and closer to that goal, that dream, that ideal of your new earth. And the frequencies, the vibrational fields that are coming into your planet are designed to help and orchestrate that. And you will not reach those until you are ready for them, so you do not have to worry or wonder if you are preparing correctly. When you become the vibrational match for them, they will be a part of you. They will come into contact, you will come into contact. And so this is not something that everyone has to be at the same time. And it is not meant that everyone is there at the same time. You are each on your own journey to reach this state of your ascension. It is important to take care of yourselves, to be kind to yourself, if you might. Honor the feelings that come through the body. Pay attention to it. Know that sometimes you will be asked to adjust things, maybe your diet, maybe the consumption of water, maybe exercise, maybe rest. And listen to the body. And find your way to what it is that is important for you to be doing at this time. So as the energy is integrating with you and moving you into yet another state of being, you will find that you respond differently to things. Your understanding of things, your comprehension of things will be different. Things, Tracie's saying, clarify things. Things, the world that is going on around you, the conversations you are having, things that normally would create conflict won't. They'll drop away. You won't be bothered by them. Inconsistencies in life may shift and be different. Consistencies in life may shift and be different, and you'll respond differently now to them. You have a deeper, more clear understanding of humanity, of what it is you are doing here, why you came into this world, into this reality, into this experience, and why you wanted to be here, why you designed what you designed for yourself while you were here. What were you healing? What were you redesigning? What were you hoping to accomplish? All of these doors are opening. More and more people are understanding. More and more people are stepping deeper and deeper into the understanding and the knowing. The beautiful evolution of it all. And as you are going through your changes, as you are making it through your development, your personal journey, we again want to say, be kind to yourself. The kinder you are, the less judgment you have of what's going on with you, around you, in the world, the more you can set those things down and walk away. Take the charge out of the experiences that are upsetting you. Step more into the creation of better things. The more you will navigate yourself into the new experience. And we are getting some interesting visual things going on. We're seeing colors coming together, swirling together, like if you were to mix paint and swirl it around. We are getting blues and fuchsia and green and just colors coming in and moving around together. And it is a reminder to us all to blend and to create. And these colors, as they are swirling together, they are not changing their color. They are not changing into a mixed color. They seem to be staying their own individual color while swirling in with the other colors. It's quite beautiful. It is a kaleidoscope of energy moving in your world, in your atmosphere. We are also being told to remind you that things, let go of the way you think things might look or appear. Or if you're not visual, to go into how it feels. What is your understanding of it? What is your imagination telling you? It is not to compare yourself to what others are getting, receiving, or doing. You have to understand that there are many different directions to go, many roads to take. And not everybody was designed to take the same path, to get to the same location, to get to the same destination. There are many pathways. And so trust the one that you are on. It does not need to look like the person next to you. It does not need to look like the people that you find, that you follow, that you read their books. It does not need to look the same. You are on a different journey, a different experience. You came here to do different things than the people around you. So understand that it is okay when you are navigating through your experiences, and it may look different. So that is your reminder. We are going to scan the audience. We're going to look to see if there's any special messages to bring through. We do see great white being coming in. We call them the great white healers. They're frequently from anywhere from the 12th to 14th dimensional energy frequencies. That is just to help you identify a dimension. That does not make them better or more powerful or more genie-like than the next guy, right? Everything is equal. It just has its own job. So these beings coming in, they are working with you on a healing journey. There are many of you that are activating into some new forms of healing, both for your own body and for others to help facilitate healing in others. They are also working with the activators, bringing in more activation through to you and also to those that you work with, amplifying the activations. As the new information and the new energy is coming in, it is important to allow yourself to be in the flow of these new energies and to acclimate to them. And so they are here to help with that. And again, we call those beings that we are seeing now the tall white healers. If they are resonating with you, they are with you, working with you. If you were listening to this, they are probably here working with you. Most definitely is what we're hearing, most definitely. This is available to anyone and everyone. So if you are wondering, why don't I have one? You do have one. It sounds funny. It's like a possession. You call them in, you ask for their guidance, and then you trust. You trust that you are getting it. However that may come to you, you may just find that you're guided to do certain things. Maybe you can hear them speaking to you in your mind. And we will say to you, if it gets confusing, the voice that they use is your voice, the voice in your head. They will use that voice to communicate with you. When you are in a creative state of mind, they come through very clear. They will guide you and bring you into understanding of many things if you ask. Tracie wants us to reiterate also, you know it's your higher gifted beings, you know it is your benevolent guidance when the guidance is loving and kind. If anything comes through that is fear-based, that is not your benevolent guidance. It is fear coming through, and it's coming through your fear filters. So it has to be clear to the fear and then try again. When it is your benevolent guidance, it is always loving and kind. You have to understand when you want guidance from these higher collectives, that connection cannot be made if you're in fear. And so they would never give you fear-based information because then they wouldn't be able to connect with you. Everything that comes through is loving and empowering and a reminder of your greatness and a reminder of your beautiful and expansive, empowering self. And they want you to remember these beautiful parts of you and your soul and all the aspects of you. So it is important to remember that the guidance will be pure and loving and hopefully inspiring as well. All right, we will scan again. As you are moving out of the energy of your astrological influences, you're going to find that you are moving into a time of clarity, into a time of inspiration, and into a time of taking action. So if you've been feeling like you've been on hold or stuck or moving backwards or having a hard go of it, you are about to experience that shift and be inspired and be able to move forward with great success. So if that resonates for you, get excited. Things are about to move and move in a new direction for you. We have been talking about the collectives that are gathering around the planet as there is a great deal of things changing within your planetary system right now. And have been many sightings and many false sightings as well. We implore you again to trust yourselves. If it feels right to you, use your discernment. If it feels like it is a real thing, trust it. If it feels like it is false, trust that. We ask you to engage yourselves in this energy and to put your own feelings into it. Ask your team to let you know when it is real. and when it is not. If we encourage anything, we do encourage that discernment. We do encourage you to be aware. You are in exciting times. And in those exciting times, it is also important to learn your discernment. It is also important to learn how to navigate through your gifts and your abilities and to hone those in. And much of that is going on right now. Hone it in. Feel into it. Trust your knowing. Trust your psychic gifts. Trust your understanding. That'll be a big theme, right? In this next coming year of 2025, you're going to need to trust yourself and trust what you receive and trust what you believe and feel. Your telepathy and your empathy is heightened. We've talked over the last year about the mantis beings working with many of you on your telepathy and your empathy, to feel it, to understand it, to communicate it through the body, through the mind, through the thoughts, and through the understanding. They have been working with you and still are. They did not go anywhere. They are still here. And so continue this work, continue this understanding, continue trusting what you are receiving. Follow your guidance and your gut. Very powerful. All right, dear ones, we will end it there. We thank you for being here again with us in this time and for sharing this time with us. It does not matter when you watch this video. We feel your energy in all time and all space. And we just call in a most beautiful experience for everyone here having the human experience at this time. With great love and gratitude, we thank you, and we'll bring back Tracie. I was getting a scratchy throat there. Sorry about that. But big, beautiful thanks to them for reminding us all that, you know, when we are in these communications, it's the loving energy to pay attention to that. And when you get those loving nudges and thoughts, that it is a powerful thing to get into that stuff and to start recognizing it and to start trusting ourselves in that and making that connection with that communication. It's a game changer. It's a life changer. You know, there's been times where I'm just sitting doing a thing and I'll get pops in my head, go do this. And I'm like, I know to listen to that now. And off I go. And I'll go do the thing and I'll be so glad I did. So pay attention to those thoughts that pop in that feel inspired. Okay. It's going to help you get to the next thing that you're looking to get to. Start the thing that you want to start, be the person you want to be. So I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. If you are new to my page, please hit that subscribe button and help grow this page. We thank you. And if you know somebody that could use this video, please share it. And with much love and gratitude, you guys, I will see you again in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.